next would be templating. So of course I will use templating all those let's say functionalities that are useful in these cases. So let's say we can create templates in Python this way in the string module, and we can create them as this. We create them in this line. So this is a template with this $sign, and let's say if you want actually to have the dollar, you do double dollars. So here you can have double dollars, you have your dollar, and here you can have dollar codes. It's quite like in the terminal. Sometimes in terminal you with dollar you bash coding, not terminal but bash coding, like this $sign is for variables, and here you can substitute whatever in whatever. So substitute village, the village codes, blah blah blah, and you have like something like this. Each folks send these two codes. Templates, you can have templates. Okay, you yes, of course. So here we have like item to owner, and here the dix of item. So we have a dictionary of item, but we don't have actually the owner. So here we have the substitute method. We don't have owner, but we can have also the save substitute. It gives us an error, this one. And we have the save substitute, and we can just save substitute whatever in this. Or just here we can, instead of having this, can do, we give it like nothing, and here we do something like save substitute. And this how it would look like. And yeah, something I didn't mention, it's in templates, it's either use this one, these curly brackets, or you don't use them. It will depend on you, it will depend on the situation you are dealing with. So here this is save substitute. Next forward, there is the time and the path, like you want to batch rename, and you can, like, this is a use case for templates. You have to rename all this stuff, and you can rename them in this way. And let's say I want to rename them, okay, travel, let's say Hungary or something. And here you can just batch name them. Oh no, actually no. The name style, yeah, it would be like travel Hungary, and here you put travel Hungary. Let's say here you put the name, since we take the name, date and format. You can take name. Name is no, it's number of sequence, not name. Sorry. You put the number of sequence. You put here like the date if you want, and you put here the format. It would be something like enter rename time. Yes, and normally we would have the yeah. Here we have the formats, and here we can check them out. And here we can have like, okay, and of course we can do some, okay, travel Hungary, let's say it's number and sequence, date, and format. So you can use actually these things. Of course, yeah. Mm-hmm. Stuck. Say, okay, here or just this way. Got lagging a bit. Okay, it's not clear output. Mm-hmm. Okay, talk. Hit this one. Here, talk. Here we do this, and here we can just remove this day and just the number of sequence and the format. The format, yeah, and you would have something like this. This image is this, and it should be totally fine.